If you need a Bali lawyer at 3 a.m. and call the wrong firm, you're risking deportation, and here's the 24-hour emergency line that works. Here's the problem. Most Bali law firms close at 5 p.m. and your emergency doesn't wait. Save the Bali lawyer's WhatsApp number in your phone right now. They answer within 12 minutes, 24/7, including 3 a.m. Sunday. If immigration stops you at airport departure, tell them you have legal representation. This buys you 6 to 8 hours to call the Bali lawyer. Emergency legal problems in Bali don't follow business hours. A visa overstay becomes a deportation case in 48 hours. A bar fight arrest in Seminyak at midnight means you sit in a holding cell until morning unless you have a lawyer who picks up the phone. Immigration raids happen at 2 a.m. Property disputes explode on weekends. This is exactly why we built the Bali lawyer with true 24-hour emergency coverage, not just an answering service. You get a bilingual Indonesian lawyer on the phone in minutes, not days. Most people fail here. They Google Bali lawyer at 2 a.m., find a website with a contact form, fill it out, and wait. By the time someone replies 18 hours later, immigration has already issued the violation notice. Or they call a law firm that routes to voicemail because the receptionist works 9 to 5. Do not do this. Emergency legal cases in Bali require immediate action. With the Bali lawyer, you get a licensed Indonesian advocate on WhatsApp or Zoom within 12 minutes, day or night. We've handled over 400 emergency consultations in 2026 alone. That's 24/7 availability backed by a 20-year track record. Step 1. Save this number in your phone before you need it. The Bali lawyer WhatsApp is monitored around the clock by rotating bilingual lawyers. The first consultation is free and takes 8 to 15 minutes. They assess your case, tell you the exact violation code, the penalty range in rupiah, and whether you need representation or can self-resolve. For visa overstays under 60 days, they handle the airport fine negotiation and immigration liaison for 15 million rupiah flat fee. That service includes the lawyer meeting you at the airport immigration office within 2 hours. Step 2. Document everything the moment the problem happens. This is important. Take photos of any police report, immigration stamp, detention paperwork, or property title with timestamps. WhatsApp those images to the Bali lawyer immediately. Indonesian court cases require original documentation within 72 hours of incident. If you wait 4 days, the evidence becomes inadmissible and your case collapses. The Bali lawyers team reads Bahasa Indonesia fluently, so they catch errors in official documents that foreign residents miss. One client saved 80 million rupiah in penalties because we spotted a mistranslated visa category on their work permit application. Here's the problem. If you ignore the 24-hour window after an immigration violation or criminal charge, Indonesian authorities escalate automatically. A missed overstay fine of 1 million rupiah per day becomes a deportation order and 5-year entry ban within 96 hours. A bar fight misdemeanor becomes assault with intent if you don't file a counterstatement in 48 hours. Most people assume they have time to figure out. You don't. The Bali lawyer's emergency service exists because Bali legal deadlines are ruthless and unforgiving. Here's the exact wording to use if immigration detains you at the airport or a raid. Say this sentence in English. Stay calm. Repeat it twice. I am currently consulting with my legal representation at the Bali lawyer. I will cooperate fully once my advocate arrives. May I make one phone call? Then call the Bali lawyer WhatsApp immediately. Do not sign anything. Do not agree to pay a fine in cash to an officer. Do not admit fault. Indonesian immigration officers respect legal representation. Once they know you have a lawyer en route, they follow formal procedure instead of informal penalty shortcuts. The Bali lawyer has a direct relationship with immigration enforcement offices in Denpasar, Sanur, and Canggu. In 87% of cases, we negotiate penalty reductions or administrative corrections within 12 hours of first contact. That's the power of having a 24/7 emergency advocate who knows the system. I am currently consulting with my legal representation at TheBaliLawyer. I will cooperate fully once my advocate arrives. May I make one phone call? Save TheBaliLawyer WhatsApp now, before you need it. Document everything with timestamps and photos immediately. Use the exact legal phrase if detained or questioned. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer.com for 24-hour emergency legal help in Bali. Visit https://TheBaliLawyer.com.